Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with the haul from PurdeePlanner, and I'm super excited to share this with you, especially today. This should go up on Thanksgiving. I'm not filming it on Thanksgiving, by the way. I'm filming it on like the Saturday before. So don't think that I like stopped everything and I'm not spending time with my family. I'm definitely spending time with my family. Maybe you're taking a break from your family. I don't know. But Black Friday is tomorrow and PurdeePlanner is in 2 sales. I don't know that she had the freebies for the sale already done and in this, because I got this like last week. So I'm not sure that they will be in here, but basically use one code and it's the same percentage for both. And then, but if you put the other code in the note to seller, then you can get double the amount of freebies. So that's kind of cool. I think you have to do a minimum purchase, but I wanted to show you guys everything that I ordered, or I didn't order from her. I PR for her, so I am a paid representative, but I get paid in stickers to advertise her shop and to review things. Like I make suggestions and stuff. Like that's why she does a wider chunk of washi on the no white space kits. So do you see what that is? Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna have to stay tuned for that because I'm gonna do that later. Ha! Okay. So here's the kits that I selected. I guess I keep saying ordered, but I need to just say selected. So this one is an older one, I think. I remember seeing this, and I think I did this in like a monthly spread long time ago, back when like I PR'd for Sahili's Designs, who's not even a shop anymore. So I'm super excited about this one just because it's like really wintry, and it goes with my snowflake clip. Yeah, and how cute is that together? Oh my gosh, love it. So I'm excited for this kit because I know that like I'm gonna do snowflake stuff. So it has like a reindeer ice skating and then a reindeer with pie. Like how funny is that? And then it says, "Oh dear, winter is here." And there's a snowman and a squirrel, and it's just adorable. So I'm excited to do this one probably in January. And then here's the checklist. See, like this is an older kit. She doesn't do it like this anymore. So there's ombre heart checklist, and then there's like date covers, and then she has like a little sheet of deco, and then here's the bottom washi, and then here's the headers and the crack washi. So you know this is an older kit when it doesn't have like wider washi up here. I hope you guys got to see all that, but I think it's really cute, and I still like her old way of doing things too, so I don't mind. Like obviously she's made changes since then, but I still like it. This one does have also it's in columns, which some of you seem to struggle with like the big giant sticker, so you might like this better. So these are in columns, so it's all one like long sticker instead of one sheet of a sticker, so if you're looking for that. So there you go. All right, so there's that one. And then we have this one, which I'm super excited about because it goes with, I'll show you in a second. Of course it goes with my clips because that's what we do. Okay, so this one, I specifically did my Santa hat again because it goes with his Santa hat, right? Had to. All right, and then I also did it, there's one in here, the candy cane, which I think might be sold out or close to selling out. Maybe a few left. So there's the candy cane, so that goes with it too. And then we have, yeah, there's even a present, and I know I have a present already. Yeah, there's presents. So we have that one. I did a Christmas bell, but I think it sold out again. I don't see mine in here, so I think it sold out because I don't like to hold on to stuff if it sells out, because then, and it says you're a mean one. How cute is that? And then there's the Christmas ornaments. So I did the red Christmas ornament to go with it. Yes, I did. So there's lots in my shop that go with this kit, so I really hope you get it because it'll coordinate with the ones that you already got from me if you already have them. And then this is like the sidebar alternates. Okay, and then here's the bottom washi, and it has more of those presents. And then she went with the glitter green. See, this one has like the wide ones up here, so that's how you know it's like a newer one. So there you go. So I hope you guys like this one. And I think this one is just called You're a Mean One. So I think that's right. But I'm excited to use that one for around Christmas time. And then of course she did Mikey and Molly decorating the Christmas tree. And I've done a couple different Christmas trees. I've actually done one in the plaid, which I do have buffalo plaid heart, There's a stocking somewhere. I don't even know if I have mine right now. I have the buffalo plaid tree. There should be a bow. Buffalo plaid bow, but I don't know if I have mine over here. Yeah, I do. There's my bow. So, and there should be something else. Okay, there's gonna be 2 other buffalo plaid things coming out on Black Friday from my shop. I don't know if you've seen those sneak peeks yet or not, because it was in yesterday's video, but excited about that. Okay, so they're decorating the Christmas tree, and they do have Christmas lights, and I have Christmas lights in lots of different colors. Some have sold out already, like the blue one did. I think I still have some red and green, and then there will be a new color on Black Friday, so I hope you guys saw that. And then here's the stockings and the Dear Santa. And then you have, it says, it's not what's under the tree, but who is around it. How cute. And then here's the top garland and the top of the Christmas tree, which I did do a gold star. That's so funny because it reminded me of like my house. So I did do a gold star too. So that kind of goes with the spread too. I know, we're just so on it with each other. All right, and then there's your alternate sidebar stickers. And then here's the bottom washi, and it has a plate of cookies, which I am considering doing a chocolate chip cookie, not for like Christmas or anything, but just like to have a chocolate chip cookie clip because that's cute. And then she did green glitter here too, but it's a little bit different. It's not the exact same green. That one's a little bit darker. See the difference? Okay. I'm sure you're like, no. Well, there is. Just a little. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back in the pile so I know what's on front. All right. So we'll take pictures and then stick them in my planners because that's how I do it. And we still have more to go. So this one is the sticker. These are the freebies. She always puts like a little thank you card / postcard in there. So that's December's. And that's November's because I didn't have November's yet. How cute. Right? So cute. Oh, she included the Grinch die cut, which is actually why I did the Christmas ornament. The one I just showed you. Yeah, this one. That was actually why I did it, because a lot of kits that did the Grinch had him holding the red Christmas ornament, so I thought that would be cute. So that's adorable. And then here's the November die cut sticker. And then here's the November freebie, which would have been good on the spread I just did. Because I was using these as my character stickers in my Happy Planner now, but oh well. And then here is a thank you for ordering freebie functionals. And then here's the December freebies. Oh my gosh, how cute. Which I don't even think I have a Rudolph. I do in the shop, I think, unless he sold out. I don't remember. So there you go. And then here he is dressed as Santa, the Christmas present. Oh, and then here he's got a cornucopia and a turkey. She's got a turkey. He's got pie. She's a little pilgrim. Oh, he's a little pilgrim. See, there's corn. That was the debate in one of my videos last weekend. Okay, and then here's some more Christmas ones. This one says 50% off. So maybe Christmas shopping. Sale. Everything's on sale, so maybe Black Friday shopping. Oh, how funny. Okay, I feel like we need these in smaller sheets. Like, it doesn't even necessarily have to be winter. It could just be going shopping. We need a sheet of those. Okay, so here's some of those. This one's gobble till you wobble, shop till you drop. Thanksgiving and Black Friday. That's so adorable. And then here's some more of those. Oh, and then here's the mini kits. Oh, I'm excited to show you. Okay, so I like to use these in my mini Happy Planner. So here's the Grinch one. So that's the one that you get for the Grinch mini kit. You get just the sheet, and then there's add-ons. So like this one is your Mean One dates. Sorry. And then there's the Mean One dividers, which is like the little ornaments. And then there's the quarter boxes, half boxes, more date covers. And then these are extra full boxes that I like to use when I do the full spread, actually. So I'm going to put those with that one, I think, before I mix it into the other one. There you go. So these ones are awesome, especially if you're more of a white space planner. My cat's trying to eat the cello bags. She likes the sticky part. Okay, and then here's another mini kit for the Mikey and Molly Christmas. If you like that one, but white, the no white space is too overwhelming for you. And then here's the Molly, the months and dates. That's awesome that she's doing that. Okay, and then here's the quarter boxes. Oh, I love the different plaids. Oh, those are half boxes. These are quarter boxes, sorry. And then here's the full boxes from the No White Space kit that you can interchange. Date covers in case you want to do this over more than one spread. And then here's more of those dividers. So I hope you guys like that. So those are add-ons. This is the mini kit by itself. Okay. And then here's some more. Oh yeah, I needed more of these. So I needed more fox bath time. I can't talk anymore. And then I needed more grocery shopping stickers, so she sent me some of those. She sent me some of the Etta ones and the Molly Moose. So you guys can get either one of those to go grocery shopping. She has like bags of corn. Like how it says corn. That's so funny, right? I know. And then she's got like boxes of things in her shopping cart. And then it's like she's thinking of what else she needs. That's just so funny to me. So then she sent me these. There's the December postcard. So I like to punch these. Well, normally I punch them, but I'm afraid I'm going to take out Rudolph's nose. So I don't know. Maybe I'll punch it this way. It'll look kind of funny, but at least I won't have ruined his nose. Okay. And then we have, I'm sure you guys are like, so what is this? This is going to be available, she told me, on Black Friday. So cute and soft. It's like a fleece, like a plush fleece. It is so cute. So it is not a planner bag. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That's what I thought it was first when she showed it to me. But then she told me it's pillow. So you're supposed to fill it. So I don't know. I don't think that she will send them pre-filled. I think you will have to get the filling for it. So I'm excited to go do that because I want to fill it so bad because it is just so adorable. This is Purdy Kitty, in case you didn't know, because I didn't have any Purdy Kitty stickers in this. This is Purdy Kitty. This is like her shops. It's the same on both sides. I was just checking. But how cute is that? And then it's got a zipper here. So then you just unzip this bottom part. See, that's why I thought it was a planner bag. I was like, oh, cool. But it's kind of upside down. Then you fill it with that fluffy stuff from the craft store. So I'm excited to have a Purdy Kitty pillow. I think it's gonna be so cute once I fill it up. All right, and then she does have Christmas sticker books. I'm probably gonna use it as a photo album, let's face it, because scrapbooking has not been huge for me right now. And I don't have a ton of Christmas stickers, but maybe you do. I don't know. But I thought it was super cute. So this one has ornaments. She also has a Grinch one. You can check that out. But I love these. So this one is the 4x6 one. She has ones that are a little bit smaller, and then she has ones even bigger that almost like store a full kit in. But these ones are great for her sticker size sheets, and they're 4x6, so they would fit photos, and they are very clear. So I would suggest using them as photo albums or as sticker books, honestly. So I hope you guys like this haul, and that you check out PurdeePlanner for her Black Friday sales. All right, thank you guys. Bye.